Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to customize, how to change the eye comfort paper texture look in Realme 14 Pro phone. So we need to go to our settings first. Then in settings we need to go to display and brightness. Then we need to go to eye comfort and sleep mode. Next, the classic eye comfort mode is here. So to customize it, we need to enable it first. Now we're looking for the paper texture. Here it is. So by default, the option is on the left side. We can add paper texture using the slider. I don't think it will be visible on the camera. So we can increase paper texture by sliding to the right and decrease it by sliding into the left, and we can reset the option to defaults by tapping the reset button. I will turn it off now, and that's all.